Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at the gorgeous Christmas Gazebo 04 shaped card mini kit from Sandie Burchell, and the cup number is cup 983029_425. Now you get 2 sheets and the full instructions in this kit. There's lots of decoupage and we're going to make a gorgeous shaped card. So I want to run through the sheets with you, and I don't want new crafters to be put off by thinking this will be too difficult, because Sandie has included the instructions of how to make the actual tent in her card, and then she's included everything you need to be able to build up the actual card itself. So we've got one sheet that has got the actual tent card front on it. We've also got a matching mini gift card, and then we've got lots of decoupage as well. And then we've also got the actual mechanics of it that will make it into a tent card to make it stand up. And on the second sheet we've got the back of the card, and when we've got all the decoupage pieces. Now I just want to point out, and I hope, well I know Sandie won't mind me pointing this out, she labels everything A, B, C, D, etc. So for any new crafters, you can simply follow the steps of the alphabet to the pieces you're building up for the decoupage, which makes it really easy. And, you know, don't be ever intimidated if you think a kit is too hard for you. Give it a go. And if you don't want to use all the decoupage pieces, you don't have to. But again, give it a go. See how you feel. So because you can print them off, if you purchase that way, and once you've saved it, you can print it off as many times as you like. You might start off by just doing it once with no decoupage, and then trying again with a little bit more and building up as you get more advanced as a crafter, and then you'll just be using every piece that there is. If you use the print and post service, then get an extra couple of the kits. They print off so well and they're posted immediately, and you get them within a day or so in the UK, and they post anywhere in the world. So don't be put off. So the second sheet, sorry I went off there, but the second sheet is all the decoupage and the back of the card, and then the instructions. So what I've done already is I've already cut out the 2 tents for the card, and you can tell one is the front and one is the back. We've got the back with the label at the bottom, and we've actually got a decoupage piece for this, and you can fill it in with your name so the person knows who has made it for them. And this is the front of the card. So this has actually got the label at the top of the tent, and then we can add sentiments on there that Sandie's included, or we can leave it blank, whatever you want to do with it really. So I've cut out the front and the back. Now on the instructions it says to score so far down from the top to be able to put 2 pieces together. So I've already done that. I actually scored down, I think it was just nearly an inch. And then on one of the pieces, I've got red tape just at the top. So what happens is, we peel the back of our red tape away, and that's one piece gone. So the second piece, and then the third piece, there we go. And we take the second part of the tent, and we're going to marry up the points, and then hopefully they will stick together. There we go. Like that. So the top of the card is now joined together. So now I need to make the mechanics for the bottom of the card. So Sandie's included a piece where she's pointed out the mountain and the valley folds. cut it out and then put tape on the back of the two end sections. Peel the tape away, score it and fold it and then peel the tape away. So we've got this action, and you take a card and you're going to open it up and you're going to add one piece, one side to the back of the card like that, and then bring the top over and press down, and that, well, hey, has given you the tent card. Can you see that? It's very difficult on a video sometimes to show you how it looks, but there we go, it stands up perfectly. And now we can decorate. So I'm just going to start with the back. I've got the label, extra label. Now I haven't filled it in. I should have put Anne-Marie on there, but I haven't done. And I've actually got that on 3D foam. There's no reason why you can't decorate the back as well as the front of this. It's going to fall flat to go in an envelope anyway. It's not going to take up any more room just because it's a shaped card. And it just looks pretty on the back as well as the front. So now for the front, we're going to build up the pieces. So if you remember, Sandie put on the pieces A, B, C, D, etc. So we're going to kind of follow those. So this, I think, was the first piece. I just want to double check that, yes, that's A. So we put that on like that. And then these are cut out and they're on 3D foam on the shiny gloss paper from the print and post service from Craftsuprint. So second piece, B, on there, and I'm just going to check that this next piece is C, and then I'm not going to follow the alphabet. So our next piece is the extra roof with the canopy, and these are all, I'm putting these on 3D foam and marrying the pattern up underneath. For anybody who's new to decoupage, you just build up the image using 3D foam. And next I have the garland for the top, and hopefully that's the right way around. And then the little label for the top of the tent. And the steps, again, all these, you can follow the alphabetical order to pop them on, or be a rebel like myself and just pop them on after the initial few pieces, just building up the front of the card. And then I've got the little lights. Now I know there's more pieces to build on, but obviously at home you can add as much or as little as you like. But I'm very conscious of the time that we have together. So the last piece I have is the little sentiment panel that I've cut out that Sandie's included. And that is our card finished. Stands up perfectly. Hard to show you, but it does. You can see our decoupage layers on the front, and we've got our extra panel on the back. What a beautiful card. I love that. And I just want to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 983029_425. Sandie Burchell. And if you go to www.craftsuprint.com and look up Sandie Burchell, you'll be able to see lots of Sandie's designs. And I would just like to be able to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.